Explore the Forbidden City together. BusDa's Guided Walk. Join BusDa for an extraordinary journey through Beijing's iconic Forbidden City, where history comes alive over an immersive 3.5-hour experience. This expertly designed walking tour offers in-depth exploration, fascinating insights, and the utmost convenience for all travelers. Step into the grandeur of Imperial China as our professional guides lead you through the palace's classic routes. From the majestic Hall of Supreme Harmony to the serene Imperial Garden, you'll uncover stories of emperors, royal traditions, and architectural wonders. With BusDa's wireless headsets, you'll never miss a word, even amidst the buzz of visitors. What makes this tour truly exceptional is its thoughtful design. Comprehensive 3.5-hour experience. Delve deep into the Forbidden City's most iconic landmarks, uncovering layers of history and culture. Professional guides. Our experienced team delivers engaging and accessible commentary, connecting you with the stories behind every corner. Carefully curated routes cover all the essential highlights in a seamless path designed to showcase the palace's magnificence. Hassle-free service. Skip the ticketing complexity. BusDa handles it all so you can focus on enjoying your adventure, with no shopping stops or distractions. This tour ensures a high-quality cultural journey. Whether you're an avid history buff or a curious traveler, BusDa's Guided Walk promises an unforgettable exploration of Beijing's imperial heart.